What's up, NCK fam? It's your girl Nelle back again with another video, and in today's video we are going to do a perfume unboxing. You ready? Let's go. What's up, NCK fam? So for my birthday, my sister-in-law, she got me this Skylar kit, right? And it includes a redeemable gift, 2 sample perfume, 1 of Salt Air, Nelle Sky, and a sun shower. Skylar perfume is a clean, hypoallergenic, cruelty-free perfume, and I'm excited to try it. We also got this perfume box, which comes with different scents, which I'm gonna swatch for you guys today. So when I first received this, I had never heard of Skylar perfume, but I'm excited to try it out. It's different from, you know, what we're used to with our Bath and Body Works or any other like perfumes that we use. So I'm just opening the box right now. This is my first unboxing, you know, video, so bear with me, y'all. So this is what it looks like out the package, and it has the different scents here. It has Isles, Coral, Arrow, Meadow, Capri, and Willow, and it even has here like the different scent combinations that really work well together. So I think the first thing I'm gonna swatch is Isles, and it says that it's a fresh ocean oasis. These are what the little scent bottle samples look like. I'm just gonna that's very nice. It's very clean. Okay, I do get that oceany smell. I do get that. It reminds me of like being on a vacation and like you're on the beach and you're laying on the sand or in your chair, and it's like a calm wave of the water just flowing from the shore to the water. That's the feelings that Isles give me. Next, let's move to Coral. And Coral is described as fruit-filled happiness. All right, I'm just gonna spray it here. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. It's giving me like orange, just giving me grapefruit, very citrusy type of summer feel, and this and I would go great in the like summer spring type of transitional weather. Next we have Arrow, and it's a spicy date essential. It's right here. I think I have to really breathe this one in. It's not hitting me. Okay, this is very a faint smell, and for some reason I'm not picking up the notes, which is interesting. Yeah, I can't really smell what Arrow is going for. I don't know. That one is like really faint, whereas Coral and Owl, they were like faint-ish, but you still got the notes of what it was trying to portray. All right, next we have Meadow, and it's said to be a floral fantasy. Okay, I like that. It's giving me like pastel, very soft, dainty flower, rose essence. Oh no, the smell went away. I'm not sure if these perfumes are like long lasting like scents, but I like this one. Next we have Capri, which is supposed to be like a citrus escape, which is interesting because that's what Coral gave to me. But with citrus, I mean with Capri, I'm very much thinking like Italy, like limoncello, like that kind of vibe. So a limoncello is a drink, like a lemon alcohol based digestive that you take after a meal. Okay, that one is a little bit strong. All right, so So it's giving me lemon, but not like the fresh citrusy lemon, but more of like the limoncello lemon, if that makes sense. So it's like a stronger lemon, not fruity, but like a strong lemon. Lastly, we have Willow, and this is said to be a earthly enrichment. All right. Oh, I'm definitely getting earth. It's kind of like a grassy, but not like grassy, like, but more of a playful, like picnic at the park kind of grassy, earthy, like really, it smells good. Hold on. Interesting. I feel like the profile switched on me a little bit. What would I describe that? At first, it was giving me that grassy feel, like I was telling you guys, but now, it reminds me of like Bath and Body Works, like candles, like those earthy candles, like sandwood, one of those. So, like I mentioned before, it did come with some ideas of how to mix the perfumes here. And so I think that would be really cool if we gave that a try. So it's said to mix Isle and Coral for a sunny soul. I'm gonna do Coral and then Isle. Ooh, that's a nice combination. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Soft, nice, sunny day. You know, calm, cool, relaxing. One of those chill, but let's go out to the beach and have a nice spring afternoon. Like one of those good days. All right, we're gonna do Arrow and Meadow for a daring delight. And remember, Arrow couldn't really smell. So let's see if Meadow like steps up and does something for us. So I'm gonna go first with Meadow, and then follow that up with Arrow. Oh, that's nice. Oh, what perfume is this reminding me of? It's like a scent that you would buy, like these together is a scent that you would buy in Bath and Body Works. It's kind of reminding me of like white jasmine. Oh no, it's not behind me. It's probably like on the other side of the room. But it's kind of reminding me of like that white jasmine scent in Bath and Body Works. I like this combination. Yeah, I don't know. It's giving like a little bit of like fresh, soft, like laundry detergent, kind of like a fresh, clean wash after the laundromat. All right, last pair is Capri and Willow, and it's said to be a green goddess. I'm gonna go first with Capri and then go on with Willow. I don't know. It's like I could smell the color green, if that makes sense. It can smell like an apple, like a green apple, very much of like a, if you ever go to Jamba Juice and you get like their green smoothie, I forgot what it's called, but it smells very much so like that. So like that green effect that it was talking about is definitely, oh yeah. But I think my favorite combination out of the three would have to be the Arrow and Meadow one, because it's more fresh, clean, like a nice soft scent. So we do have these three scents. So we're gonna go, I think it's a scratch and sniff. This one is called Vanilla Sky, and it has notes of cappuccino, pure vanilla, and caramelized cedar. So it says lift to smell. Let's seal that back. It's said to be rich, creamy, and warm. I'm getting the rich and the warm. Definitely a warm scent. I think it's the caramelized cedar for me. Either that, I don't know. It's just not necessarily a pleasant one that I would get. But it does like bring warmth and richness, and you do smell the creamy. But I wouldn't do. All right, let's go to Sun Shower. Oh yeah, Sun Shower. It's said to be cool, citrus, dewy, with scents of lemon leaves, jasmine tea, and meadowgrass. I wonder if it's gonna smell like the Capri and Willow. The scent here is very faint, whereas with Vanilla Sky, I smelt that right away. With this one, you have to really like sniff out a little more because it's more faint. It kind of reminds me of like the Cucumber perfume at Bath and Body Works, but softer and very fainter than that. I can see this on a spring day, definitely. But would I get it? Trying to see if I would prefer the Capri and Willow together versus this one, because they're kind of doing the same thing. I don't know, guys. All right, last we have Salt Air, and it's said to be bare beachy breeze with draftwood, sea salt, and seaweed. Now, if you remember from my Get to Know Me tag, I do love water scents. I do love that airy, cool kind of scent, and so hopefully I like this, but we'll see. I smell that draftwood right away. That one was really faint as well. I couldn't really, like, I smelled draftwood and immediately that was it and the scent was gone. I don't know. I didn't really pick up that beachy, breezy feel, or the seaweed or anything. I don't know. It's very, very, very faint, and so I really can't smell it. But the Isle would definitely be better than that one because they're both doing like a beachy, oceany thing. But the Isle definitely would have been better. So what's my review? I think Isle is my favorite. It's between Isle and Meadow. Let's just determine a favorite right now. Let's do this side for Meadow. And let's see if Isle. I think after that, Meadow definitely comes first, then Isle. Meadow, again, is giving like that floral, fantasy type of vibe. It's like dainty and soft, like a soft rose. And usually I don't really go for like floral perfumes because that's not really my style. But this one, because it's not as heavy as other floral perfumes, I'm able to tolerate that a little bit more. And yeah, so I think that what Skylar is really going for is really nice. If we think about ways that we can, as consumers, be better at our jobs, right? To find and buy things that are clean, good for the environment, animal cruelty free, right? And so I think if you do end up buying like something from Skylar, definitely let me know. Okay, fam, that's all we have for today. I hope you would like this review. It's my first one. Hopefully I didn't do too bad. And if you would like me to do any more reviews, comment down below. And with that being said, I'll catch you next time. Bye.